Balik ka na, tara na, Aldrin. Ibalik mo na yan. Eh di maliit na isda, Chito. Ama ka na. Ang bilis ng laro actually. Hindi ko napansin. Nakadalawa na. Teka, Danjanel.
Sorry.
Sino po?
Can I...
What? Ang bilis! Anong skill kaya nito ngayon?
Make yourself useful. Good. Blood all over you.
Ay, sorry, Mami Bell. Sabi mo, padaan po. Reset. At tara,
Si Joy o ano ng gifts.
Si
Kaya
Joy,
nga.
o ano ng gifts. Kaya nga. Tanda niyo ako gifts, bebe. 420 pa lang ako.
Kailangan mapatukoy ako ni Arturo.
Kailangan mapatukoy ako ni Arturo.
Patukoy niyo ako.
Patukoy niyo ako. Kuha ka, bebe, sa Gcash niya. Thank you, bebe,
Baka sa
JV.
Gcash niya, bebe.
To fight together.
Kuha ka sa Gcash niya, bebe.
Ano nang meron
Wala nang
to?
heal to. Ano nang meron to?
O, ikaw na
O, ikaw na mag-ano, Tristan.
Wait lang.
Wala ka coin si Bebe.
Wala ka coin si Bebe din may coins galing sa Gcash mo.
Dinosaur?
Dinosaur? Yung ba yung shield?
Ah, doon ako sa walang pangalan. 1, 2, 3.
Oo, laki ng
Oo, laki ng boses ah. Telling you exactly what's on my mind.
Ang gigigil ako.
Gigil ako sa... Voices. O, 570 na tayo, guys.
Nagbaboxing yung
Nagbaboxing yung SS
SS
talaga.
Gano'ng
Gano'ng
kalapit?
kalapit?
Kailangan
Nilapit ko.
Ba't may
Ba't may
piece?
piece?
May piece,
May
may
piece, may
dinosaur?
dinosaur?
Ahas.
Bago skill niyan kay Momoy.
Moy moy?
Moy, moy. Momoy.
Bagong skill.
All accounted for in the safe zone. Let's move on.
In between. I want you to know that you're the only one for me. I must stick with you forever. I must stick with you. I must stick with you. I must stick with you. Oy, bundok ko yun.
Sige ko ko ilagay yung ano ko dyan.
Mo nga.
Sige
Kaya
nga.
paano mag-backboxing?
Boxingin mo nga. Kaya, paano mag-boxing? Yan! Ala, ka! Sumusunod! Shield yung una. Oh, yun na! Uy, angas! Angas!
Tear them
Galing mo, dinosaur po ba eh?
May Jimmy kahit pagka na kumanan dyan, matagal ka
Ano
na
nilamig, Jimmy, kahit pagka nang kumanang jacket, matagal ka na nang lalamig. May sakit eh.
Oh, yun mami nakita ko na. Ang galing ng
Oh, yun mami nakita ko na. Ang galing, nang
Ano
bubugin
yung
sa
second
angas mo.
skill?
Ano yung second skill?
Wow!
Wow! Amazing! Makakatakas ako doon. Gusto ko to.
Yun na.
Ayun na.
Kailangan ako ng
Tumitingin lang ako ng Firelight.
Ongas, B. I love this na mommy.
I love this na mommy.
Hindi.
Predator ba yung maganda?
Makahoy ka, hoy.
Makahoy ka.
Grabe,
Hoy.
nahinoy ka na, inate din ka.
Grabe, nahinoy ka na, inate din ka pa. Grabe combination, B. Kung ako, hindi ako papayag yan.
Hinoy ka na, di ka. Kain
Hinoy ka na, inate ka pa. Invader pala yung
Hala,
maganda.
pinalo ako.
Pinalo po kita. Hala, pinalo ako.
Dinosaur may gulong. Angas na.
Dinosaur may
A
gulong.
new
Angas
Reaper
na
has
cute.
arrived.
So cute.
So
Well, there
cute.
is the Reaper. He'd best not die before I arrive. Whoa, I leveled up. Appreciate all your hard work.
Netty ko.
Ganda, be. Thank you.
Baka yun eh pa.
Squad's attacking. Dead mosquitoes. Second. Oh, their shield was paper thin. Line them up. Knock them down.
So, pretty.
Picking you
Okay,
off
Mami
one by
Belle.
one.
Yung
was
kayo
an
may
absolute
ganon.
delight.
See once again, my love. Okay, Mami Bye. Saan tayo punta? See once again. Ala, nagtuloy-tuloy yung slide ko, angas. Toto! Kailan niyo po ba si Kyle, yung bata po? Sino bang Kyle yan, B? Diba, food ko yun? Bigla ko da.
Latay.
I need to level up. I won't play second fiddle.
Wala, Jimmy. Lah, lalim ng narating ko, be. Angas. O, mami, mag-live ka na. Tara. No!
Airdrop inbound. It isn't going to hit me, is it?
No. Sabi mo magla-live ka. Ayun na, may sa gilid. I love AI to. AI. Home shop.
Feels like I forgot something. Ah,
Sure, bebe, after na to.
oh, their little shield was paper thin.
Grabe, ang bilis ng oras dito, guys. Hindi ko napapansin. Level.
Line them up, knock them down. Line it up. Reload.
See it once again. You know me well.
One by
Yan din,
one.
mami, ang sinasabi ng ano daw. Ang tawag dito. Di ba kami last time, may event. Tama yung sinabi ni Myrtle. Actually, ganun talaga. Kung mag-live ka, be yourself. Ganun. Kung ano ka talaga in person, dapat ganun ka rin. Siguro. Mami, mabait ka naman actually. Sa mga ugali ng tao sa'yo. Binabounce back mo lang yung energy
Feels
binibigay
like I
nila.
forgot something.
Nung energy na binibigay nila, binabounce back mo lang. Kaya nga eh. Maril talk ako. True. You once again. Bakit bato na ba yung puso niya sa'yo? Ay, nako.
Attention, the safe zone countdown has commenced.
Kaya nga, ibig sabihin yan, mami. Pagaling na yan.
Quickly check if we have enough supplies.
Pagaling na yan si Kuya Jimmy. Pag mga bumabanat na yan,
Let me show you
Magaling
how
na
my
yan.
sheriff puts in work. Got him.
I'll turn them all to dust.
gabi ang mga akla.
Reload. Line them up, knock them down.
Ay, may kalaban dito.
Feels like I forgot something. The tactical core here.
Bogs!
Ooh.
Bogs!
Enemies are still out there.
Bogs, what's up?
Watch your back. Oh, wait.
Airdrop delivery. Reaper has been killed.
They're knocked down. Reloading.
Tara na
Airdrop
sa ano
inbound.
tayo?
It isn't going to hit me, is it?
Safe zone. Ate siya ng ate. Oo, kay kuya Jake yan.
Oh, their little shield was paper
Tara
thin.
na mga bing. Tayo. Just wanna be with you. 3. And it's that you're the only one for me. 4.
Gonna go back and
1, 2, 3,
Picking you
5.
one by
Make you
one.
fall in
What
love
an
with
absolute
me.
delight.
Patching up. I'll wear these scars like badges.
Sun. And then I got
Feels like I forgot
one.
something. This handsome face will be the last thing you
Ang gym
see
kasi
before
ako
your
kanina
eyes
guys, ang
close
workout
forever.
back workout. Pero daw respeto ate Bane. We can have it all talaga no bata. Yes, Mommy Bells. Nagugutom na ako, guys.
A new Reaper has arrived.
The red kid!
One of theirs is
What's
the
down
Reaper.
on me?
It's not
Uy, tara
before
tulong.
I
Ito yung
arrive.
car, oh.
Wait a sec.
Sige. One dream come true. Two. Yes, no energy.
Appreciate all your hard work.
And it's here to see that you're the only one.
This handsome face will be the last thing you see before your eyes close forever.
Found
Reloading. Gonna go back and forth.
Reinforcements. Restoring shields. Hang in there.
Guys,
Uy, may kalaban, Bing.
restoring shield.
Ay!
Attention, the safe zone.
I'll turn them all to dust.
All accounted for in the safe zone. Let's move on.
Ba't bumalik sa akin to?
Another two.
Using medkit.
Kasi siya. Kailangan pala nakikita ko yung kalaban para tirahin niya. Hindi ako makalipad.
Guys. Oh, their little shield
Five
was paper
minutes
thin.
of love with me. Paano yung heal ng life? Ayun, nakita ko na.
Should do the trick.
Ay guys, 575 pa lang tayo. Let's go. ITANGA. Ang hirap palang maging TANGA. Ang hirap palang maging TANGA. Napakaasa mo lang ako kasi alam mo na crush kita.
Only 2 squads left.
Oo
Get
na,
the deer
crush
and leave them
kita.
to me.
Ay, wang ko. Ay, JP, nasaan ka na?
Airdrop arrived.
Yung status mo, tungkol to sa'yo.
Begin to shrink.
Sana
Everyone's in the
ay
safe zone? Lovely.
Yes,
Time to
na.
crush them.
Sure, time to sink our teeth in.
like no.
Reloading is. Protect the files of my friends.
Reloading. Let's rumble.
That's what I love.
Exchanging fire.
Kaltukan mo.
Turn them all to dust. Well, well. I guess we're all in the safe zone. How quaint.
Nahihilo na ako, hindi ko makita. Hindi nanonood.
Dami.
Sorry.
Reloading. Go back and forth.
You give out the best in me. Like, That's why I'm by your side. Akbo! Chill!
Hide from me.
Lipad muna.
Beautiful feeling.
Restoring shields. Sorry guys, hang in there. The airdrop is arriving soon.
Ay, pangatlo ko yun.
Siya, pangatlo tayo. Siya, pangatlo.
This fantastic feeling, doesn't it feel... This fantastic feeling, doesn't it feel just like love?
Sweetheart, you did a great job. You gave it all that you
Oily ko na.
There's only one rule for passwords. My rule.
I found you.
Alam, nag-auto-pick. Mami, ang bilis nga
Choosing to fight, you
mag-auto-pick.
already won half the battle. Chuck Day.
Dude, palit, lipat mo sa akin.
World requires order. Victory requires me.
Now then,
Ikaw ba yan?
where are
Yung
those
nilipatan
little
ko?
chickies
Ay,
going to
hindi si
land?
Master Nick.
Si Junel yan.
Eh, tusan mo na lang.
2 goals.
Yan,
Research
wait lang.
inspiration and
Wait lang.
victory.
Pwede na dito.
What we've been preparing for.
Dito lang natin kumuha. Baka mga sumunod sa atin.
Ano skill kaya nito?
Cheeky little
Eh, meron na.
vermin nearby.
Wala akong baril. Ano
May
kaya
scout
skill
yan.
nito?
May scout yan kay Cypher Radio. Joy ah.
Ayan. Wala akong baril.
Reloading. Get ready for battle.
Light it up.
Let's go. Ayaw nga pala. Bakit wala akong baril? Ano ba yan? Ito na.
Enemy down.
Galingan nyo. Alright. Ayun, meron na.
Reloading. Go back and forth.
Kapag binato sa kalaban, hindi sila makakaskill. Oh! Oh yeah, oh
Become
yeah.
more handsome, hmm?
Sniper ba't tong gamit?
Reloading. Get ready for battle.
Cypher, Joy. Cypher ka.
Okay. The second skill ko yung pagkusan ko binato, doon ako mapupunta.
Wow.
Naalala ko na. Hi, Rayland. Thank you, Mami Bells. Mega Crystal. Wala na. Ayun!
Feels like I
Oo nga.
Kala ko si Jupiter yun, wala na.
Kailang yun. Pero totoo hindi okay. Okay lang dyan, call. No problem. Thank you, Bebe JB!
This handsome
JB.
face will be the last thing you see before your eyes close forever.
7:36 na tayo, guys, ha?
Reloading. Gotta go back and forth.
Pinapay. Samahan ko na rin
Their
ng
little
kape.
shield was paper thin.
Ba, swerte naman ng
One by
binatuhan ko.
one. What an abs! There's an extended rifle magazine here. Level 3.
Bar 95. Kailangan ko to bar 95 eh.
Watch yourselves now. It's a long way from the safe
Ay,
zone.
Ben Garina.
I'm hit. Using medkit.
Patay mo na, patay nyo.
Sakit?
Ay, patay mo.
I'll find you again. Don't forget about me.
Asan ba kayo? Andito sa likod.
Reloading.
Nakalito kasi yung ano. Invader yung maganda, di ba? Invader.
Maganda rin.
M4 ba maganda din? Ayun, Invader M4.
Reloading.
Anybody there? Don't forget
Go
about
R.
me.
Here, sige lang, bebe.
So, Ranger Assault Rifle, bago yan eh.
Maganda ba yun?
Hindi ko pa natatry
A
yan eh.
new Reaper has arrived.
With you on the map.
Matry ko nga yung Ranger na yun. Mukhang maganda.
Oy, sama ko. Guys, para di
Over here.
Arturo dyan
Come
naman.
and save me.
Open mic Arturo.
Oh, maganda nga.
Ano ba yung Ranger Assault?
Assault.
Generator? Wala na rin ba generator dito?
Wala na rin.
Oh, yung mga favorite natin, wala yun, no?
Generator pa naman favorite ko dito.
Ako din gusto ko generator, M4 pati duty. May M4 pa, di ba?
Meron.
Tatlo na lang. Oo, tatlo na lang. Di na siya apat. Putsi.
Save me.
Ay, nasigpay pala to. Kakampi ko pala to. Ay!
EMP activated.
Ay!
Another step towards
Saan
victory.
yun?
Restoring shield. Reloading. Hey, stop. It's a wonder these weaklings even have a
Bullshit ka.
squad.
Marsa mo, JP, kung saan nandun. Yung kakampal mo. Jupiter, wala na. Ang tagal naman na mag-heal dito. Snubber ka, Justin, ha?
I told you I'd be back.
Yari! Snubber pa nga.
Reloading.
Justin, ba't ka daw snubber? Yari ka.
Tapos tayo na
Di ko
stone.
sinout-out, no? Payag ka nun.
Punta tayo na stone. Sakit niya yan.
Restoring shield. Gotta focus.
Only half our prey remain. Mow them down like dogs. Restoring shield.
To my car, oh. Sino mag-drive?
Kaya na ako yung mag-ano ko. May ultimate ako. Papabilis.
Ay, ito, tatalon. Tumalon ka na?
Glory. Enhance.
May talon naman ako. Tsaka may pang ano.
Tara.
Ang ultimate nito kay Sunod pampabilis.
Oh, yeah. Planet Rice? Planet Rice.
Delivery is underway.
Ang dami dito. Grabe.
Go.
Kalaban
A
nata sa
new
akin.
Reaper has arrived.
Snap din siya pag siya tag-chat sa akin. Oh, tama yan girl, bawian mo.
Direct hit. Keep it up.
Light it up. Out under an open. There's a tactical core here.
Restoring shield.
An absolute win.
Ay,
Thanks
kay
to
Tan
technology.
Garcia.
Using medkit.
Never seen someone that weak before.
Restoring shield.
Using
Heal
medkit.
pala ka na mag-heal.
I'm
Nakamiss yung
concentrating.
baril na yun. Tara na, laro ka na. Di ba famous ganyan na siya? Kaya nga eh. Ayoko na magturo, sabi ni Mami. Nag-comment ka ba kami ng turo? Ay, ito pala, sorry. Di ko nababasa. Eh, puro kalaban ko. Saan ka na dito? Kasama mo sa response center mo na lang. Puro kalaban. Kung saan na dito? Kasama mo sa response. Ha? May bago ba? Di ko alam may response center. Ano yun? Parang si ODM?
Line 'em up.
May response center ka?
At least I can bleed out under an open.
Sorry, Mami. Medyo nagulol
Patay
kasi
na.
ako kapag kulay pink yung
Kapatid mo
comment.
na, Jonel.
Reloading. Get ready for battle.
Humahalo siya sa
Another
mukha ko.
step towards victory.
Westlife naman madalas ko naririnig.
Safe zone countdown has commenced.
May respawn ano na dito?
Reloading.
Yung kahit hindi na kita i-heal mismo sa katawan mo? Yung tore na... Kulay green? May kailangan ba akong kunin sa kakampi ko? Like dog tag? Something like that? May kailangan ba akong kunin sa kanilang item para ma-heal? Uy!
Direct hit.
Ay,
Reloading.
wala. Bot.
Step towards victory.
Wala. Okay, Mami. Thank you.
Reloading.
Light it up.
Sige, John Paul, go lang. Kunin mo yung pera nila. Pwede ko ba sila ilot,
Airdrop
Mami?
inbound. It isn't
Kaso
going
pag
to hit
binuhay,
me, is
hindi
it?
ko ba makakaano ba yon? May negative effect ba yon? Pag nilot ko yung katawan nila. O wala naman kasi pag nabuhay sila, wala pa rin silang item. Ay, princess. Wala kang item pag nabubuhay kahit marami ka item nung namatay ka? Ilulot ko na lang.
Ay, may kalaban, no?
This handsome face will be the last thing you see before your
Ilulot ko na lang.
eyes close forever.
Snipering ko lang.
Hanap nga ulit ako ng itsura nun. Ano makulay? Ito ba yon? Yung sa mapa yung mga green, yan ba yung pang-revive?
Oh, I got him. Reloading.
Ay, oh, wait. Punta ako sa
Another
dagat.
step towards
Tara.
victory.
May sniper ko na.
Always gonna have it.
Bang-bang na lang.
Sarap
Yes,
pala
thank you.
pag nakabar.
Reloading. Gonna go back in force.
Bubo, ba't doon ako nag-assist? Ano ba yan? Ayaw tumama.
I'll turn them all to dust.
Another step towards
Naiinis na ako. Tumatama.
ready for battle.
Wala akong makita. Wala akong makita, akla. Uy!
Reloading. Hold up.
Uy! Ano na? Lapit ng lapit sa akin.
Another step
Nahihilo ako
towards
eh.
victory.
Nice.
Appreciate all your hard work.
Ayoko nang malapit sa akin.
Pinapatay ko. Ah, gago. Aray ko.
May kalaban. Tara, let's go na. Ah, ito! Ito ba yun, Mami? Pampabuhay ba to?
May pampabilis na ako.
Black
Nag-ultimate
Rider.
ako.
Ay, hindi pala.
Nag-ultimate ako, pampabilis.
Tara, tara. Ang loot
Feels
pala
like
ito.
I forgot
Eto!
something. Ah, great.
Oh, ito nga. No,
Kalaban na nga to.
Resurrect.
Ay, nakita ko na.
This
Nakita ko na kung
handsome
saan
face will
ang
be the last
itsura
thing
niya.
you see before your eyes close forever.
Thank you for that wonderful idea. Oh,
Direct
parang
hit.
pag...
Keep it up.
Mekos na to guys eh.
Reloading. I'm gonna tear them apart.
Reloading. Get ready for
Restoring
battle.
Yun yan.
Tangan, sa puzohan pa
Saan
naman
tayo?
ako.
Ang dami loot. that I need right here in the passenger seat. Ready, Jerome and Kristan.
Restoring shield.
There's a vertical foregrip here. Level 5.
Ay, Jerome, Arturo pala. Sorry na, Arturo. Tinanggalan kita ng karapatan. Ay, Nong. Pwede na din ikaw dumaan dyan sa ramp. Ano yun, Mami? Yung dati sasakyan lang yung umaangat. Pwede na tao dito. Pero ayoko pala lumipat. Ito ba yun? Ano to? Ay, the XP! May kamay! Nako! Okay na, Mami Belle.
My mind is bursting with new ideas.
worry.
I need to find a target to test them out.
It's on the road.
That week before.
Find that
Everyone's in the safe zone? Lovely. Time to crush them.
amazing. Okay na, Mami. Nakakapisado ko na. Mag-rank na tayo bukas. Char. 4 pa bago mapuno. Ayoko mag-commute. Uy,
Feels
ano
like I
yun?
forgot something. Ah, trace.
May papunta sa atin, ha? Ay, sa may tulay kami pupunta sa atin. Yung pupunta sa
Only
atin.
2 squads left. Be a good
Get
deal.
ready.
Give them to me.
Get ready. APT nga, te. Hi, kay Kal Almazan.
I'll turn them all
One
to
hand.
dust.
Ay, totoo ba? Hindi ko pansin, girl. Tingnan natin. Konti na lang kami, guys.
Using medkit. Shh. Wound is healing.
Uy, ayun. Dito banda. Ay, shit.
Restoring shield.
Ay, ayun pala.
EMP activated.
Feels like I forgot
Missing
something.
isn't my
Ay, bobo. Napunta ako sa likod. Ay, wait.
I'm hit.
Lit. Tulong, be. Krista, nasa likod mo. Yung kalaban ko, dalawa.
Oh, meron. Nakita ko. Wait
Oo,
lang.
yan yung inaano ko kanina.
This handsome
Ah, nakita ko.
face will be the last thing you see before your eyes.
Restoring shield.
Let's light it up. Restoring shield.
I'm under attack. Unforgivable.
Restoring shield.
Aray! Nadali ako.
Rescue ASAP.
Dali ako nung ano.
OMG!
Everyone's in the safe zone? Love rescuing someone.
Yun na, yun.
Restoring shield. There's a tactical
I'm under
core
attack.
here. Level 5.
Restoring shield.
Don't get cocky. I'll find you again.
Sakit.
Ang bagal niya mag-kill. Disiyano na lang ako forever. Ang tatlo tayo?